This all-natural sugar scrub is the perfect gift for healthy, silky smooth skin that's good enough to eat. Seriously, it's delicious. Hi guys, I'm Elise and welcome to Whole Foods Whole You WholeElise. So to continue on with my spicy festive season, I'm going to show you how to make your own DIY sugar scrubs. They will make for an incredible gift during the festive season, but they're also one of those DIYs which are just amazing to have around. And to spice things up a little bit further, I'm going to be creating two different flavors using two different methods. The first one is a gingerbread sugar scrub. This smells absolutely incredible. It's very unlikely that you'll need to buy any additional ingredients. In fact, I'm pretty sure you're going to have everything you need in your kitchen at home already. And the second one will be a pumpkin spice sugar scrub. This sugar scrub will perfectly complement the pumpkin spice body butter which I made a couple weeks ago. So if you haven't seen that recipe already, don't worry, it will be linked at the end of this video. And just before we get straight into the recipes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for all things natural. I have a host of DIYs and recipes which shows you how to get the most out of natural ingredients. So for our first spicy festive sugar scrub, I'm going to be making the gingerbread version. This one is incredibly simple to make and you probably already own all of the ingredients that you're going to need. So the first thing is the brown sugar. Now depending on how exfoliating you want your scrub to be, either use sugar with finer crystals or larger crystals. Finer sugars do dissolve a lot faster when you're using it as a scrub, so I prefer to use granulated sugar or something with larger crystals. The next thing you'll need are your spices, and because this is of course gingerbread flavored, I'm going to be using ginger, nutmeg, allspice and cinnamon. Finally, you're going to need an oil. Now I'm using almond oil because it tends to be a mainstay in most of my DIYs, but if you wanted to make this completely edible, you could use something like coconut oil and it will work just as well. But a word of warning, I can't guarantee that you're not going to want to eat this instead of using it as a body scrub. Now that we've got all of our ingredients prepared, we're going to go straight into making our sugar scrub. It is so simple to make the gingerbread sugar scrub. All you need to do is to mix the ingredients together. So first, take the brown sugar. Now we're going to mix in our spices: ginger, cinnamon, nutmeg and allspice. So with your sugar and spices mixed together and your house smelling absolutely amazing, we're going to add in the almond oil. Once everything's mixed together and you're happy with the texture, all that's left is to put it into our container. Next up, we have our pumpkin spice sugar scrub. This body scrub will work perfectly with the pumpkin spice body butter I made in one of my previous videos. So if you're crazy about pumpkin spice, you'll now have a full DIY routine that you can use. In terms of ingredients, both the sugar and the oil quantities remain exactly the same. The only thing which I'm changing are the spices. Instead of using ground spices, I'll be using the exact same essential oil mixture which I used in my pumpkin spice body butter. It's cinnamon, vanilla, clove, orange and nutmeg. So despite how good this one smells, it is definitely not edible. And of course, if you don't have these in essential oil form, you can always just substitute these with the corresponding spices. However, I did just want to show you another method of making your own sugar scrub. Once again, let's make our sugar scrub. So now we're going to mix the pumpkin spice fragrance. Cinnamon. Nutmeg. Ginger, orange, and vanilla. Now that we have our pumpkin spice fragrance all mixed up, we just need to add it to our sugar. All that's left is to transfer your pumpkin spice sugar scrub into a container. Stay still. It's a bit ugly, but not all the way. Only took me about 10 minutes. And that wraps up the Spicy DIY sugar scrub. Not only will these sugar scrubs keep your skin soft and supple during these winter months, but they also make for absolutely beautiful gifts during the festive season. You can really see the difference between if you use essential oils or if you use spices. The gingerbread scrub has a lovely rich color to it, whereas the pumpkin spice is more of a golden brown. Between making these sugar scrubs, the diffusers, and my chai latte, my house smells absolutely incredible. And I'd love to hear from you if you give any of these recipes a try. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, as well as giving this video a big thumbs up if you like it. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again. Check out my channel for more natural, fun, and healthy DIYs.